I once watched this massive product launch just completely implode. Like the email marketer was out there promoting a discount code that the web developer had already deleted, and the social manager was teasing a feature that didn't even exist yet.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that is a classic silo problem.
Right. Coordinating humans across disjointed departments is just messy. But what if you could hard code an entire perfectly aligned marketing department into a single application? That's what we're looking at today for you guys. We're diving into the Vercel Labs Eve marketing team template.
Yeah, it's essentially a multi-agent AI system that functions as a 5-person marketing team.
And our mission today is to, well, pull apart the code base to see exactly how it manages to collaborate without, stepping on its own toes.
It really is a masterclass in architectural constraints. So we start by interacting with this lead agent. You assign it a goal, like launching a new feature, and then it parses that out to 5 specialized subagents.
And those are the product marketer, content marketer, SEO, social media, and email, right?
Yep, exactly those 5. But here's the tricky part. Looking at the technical setup, these subagents actually spin up in entirely fresh sessions.
Wait, so they don't inherit the lead agent's chat history?
No, they don't.
It's literally like the movie 50 First Dates. They just wake up to do a task with zero memory of the parent conversation.
Right.
I mean, if they have total amnesia, how do you prevent them from just hallucinating completely different campaign goals?
Right, that is the core problem. And the solution they came up with is entirely structural. So the product marketer agent actually owns a brand context document.
Okay, like a central source of truth.
Exactly. It saves this file into Vercel blob storage, which is essentially just a secure cloud-based filing cabinet for raw data.
Oh, I see.
And the critical mechanism here is that the underlying code explicitly blocks the other 4 agents from executing their tasks until they query and read that exact document.
So instead of this tangled web of direct messages between agents, they are programmatically forced to pull from a central ledger.
Yes, they have no other choice.
I love that. That kind of architectural design, like building guardrails that force AI to pull from a single truth, is actually exactly what the folks at Vercel specialize in.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, if you are trying to figure out where automated agents can make the most impact for your business or your personal life, or if you need help with AI training, automation, or custom software development, you really need to check out embersilk.com.
They really do help you build systems where the magic isn't just having AI, but, how you integrate and constrain it.
Right.
And speaking of constraints, the ones in this Vercel template go all the way down to the actual prose. There is a writing quality skill applied to every drafting agent through their system prompts.
But I mean, system prompts usually just say something vague, like,
Yeah.
Be professional. And that just results in copy that sounds like a robot wearing a suit.
Exactly, which is why this code base uses negative constraints instead. The rubric specifically bans classic AI tells.
Wait, it bans specific words?
Yeah, it blocks words like delve and leverage, and it totally outlaws phrases like, in today's digital age.
Oh, thank goodness. I'm so tired of reading in today's digital age.
Right. It even targets punctuation. It throttles the use of em-dashes because language models constantly use em-dashes to artificially fake sentence variety.
That is incredibly clever. By explicitly restricting those patterns, the generated copy stays grounded and sounds authentically human.
Exactly.
Okay, so they read a central ledger, and they are mathematically restricted from saying delve.
Right.
But writing a draft is one thing, actually executing a campaign is another. I mean, the code base shows they connect to external tools like Resend for emails and Typefully for social media.
Yes, they do.
Giving an amnesiac AI direct access to your customer email list just sounds like a recipe for total disaster.
Oh, it absolutely would be. Well, without an intercept mechanism, the architecture relies heavily on pre-execution validation.
Which is like in practice.
So when the email agent generates a payload to blast your customer list, or the social agent attempts to delete a draft in a substack, thankfully, the script actually pauses the execution thread.
Oh, so it doesn't just fire it off.
No, it triggers a webhook that pushes an approve or deny button straight to your Slack.
Ah, I see. So you are giving them the keys to the car, but you are keeping your foot hovering right over a remote brake pedal.
Exactly. It guarantees that the AI does the heavy lifting of drafting and coordinating, but any irreversible actions always require human judgment.
Which brings up a really fascinating side effect for you listening. If the brand context document is the undisputed law for these subagents, and the code handles the execution, the human job really shifts, right?
It does. It shifts from managing people to aggressively curating truth.
Exactly. The person who controls that single document essentially holds the entire creative direction of the company.
It really is an incredibly optimistic glimpse into the future of work.
It is. We are moving toward this amazing era where our ability to innovate is just amplified by tools that handle the chaos, leaving us free to focus purely on the vision.
Absolutely. The technology is here to elevate our creativity and not replace it. It's a remarkably bright, collaborative future for human AI problem solving.
I couldn't agree more. Hey, if you enjoy this podcast and are getting value out of these deep dives, please subscribe to the show.
And leave us a 5-star review if you can.
Yeah, it really does help get the word out. Thanks for tuning in, and here is to an incredible future.